We like to host our annual investment seminar every autumn because traditionally this is the busiest time of year for commercial property investment. After a long summer, investors are always keen to see what is available, and with a couple of major auctions taking place in October, there are often a lot more questions than answers.
In the current market, there are plenty of opportunities for investors, particularly below £1.5 million. We are sourcing predominantly deals which are short leases, which are high yields. However, at the moment we're also able to source very well-let blue chip income deals, typically averaging between 5 to 6% yields. At the institutional level, many funds I work with are currently disposing of their retail properties. So this represents a fantastic opportunity for our private investors to buy some of those assets.
So this year's Autumn Market Review will be focusing on alternative sectors to high street retail. It's well known that the high street has gone through a lot of trouble in the last year, and what investors don't always know is that there is a lot more to commercial property than just the high street.
So what do investors like to invest in? Well, quality, it goes without saying, secure income return, and what we tend to be seeing a lot more of are alternative investments, medical investments, for example. Motor trade investments, very popular, a lot of quick fits sold in the room. Petrol filling stations, there seem to be less of them about. Car park investments, dare I say funeral directors, we all come and go.
If you took the advice of Warren Buffett, then of course you wouldn't ever buy when the market was high. You'd always buy contracyclically, i.e. when no one else wanted the assets. And in part, we're at that point today, and it comes about because our market, the private investor market, is very much influenced by what they read in the press or see on television.